Never mind my garage. It's not junky, it's just disorganized. Gotta get in here and spend a couple of hours on organizing all my tools and stuff. I'll be busy. But anyway, I reinstalled my GoPro 360. All this equipment that I'm using is either metal or aluminum. I previously lost the GoPro, as you guys seen in the other video. So I use all metal this time. Hopefully I don't lose another one. I do have a tether that I'll be tethering to this GoPro so I don't lose this one. It's right there. I'm probably gonna move it from this side to this side over here. I had the first one tethered to the mirror right here with this clamp thing. I don't know what I was thinking about. It flew off. $500 out the door. I had this one right here mounted right here, as you can see. When I got to about, I don't know, 120, 130, this thing just gave out. It was, you know, plastic connecting right here on both sides. It just broke. But I did have the GoPro tethered, so it just, you know, I didn't lose it. This bike accelerates really violently, so I see why GoPros are flying off of this thing. So hopefully this one doesn't fly off. It's a little shaky, but since that pole is metal, it doesn't shake as much as the carbon fiber pole that I have. I'm getting a call. Who's that? Probably my wife. I'm getting some weird numbers calls. I will be getting some new tires soon. These are starting to flatten out. I'm really thinking about trying the other Michelins, the ones that are under this. I heard they're a lot better for us performance-wise. But I do like these a lot. These things grip like crazy. I mean, those things, those tires have my front tire lifting all the time. They have that much grip. Yeah, with this 2018, this is a really nice bike. I'm still debating on should I go ahead and pull the trigger on getting the what are those things called? The Akrapovic exhaust. Only thing I don't like about the Akrapovic exhaust is it comes like all the way, like way out here behind the tire. It's like behind, you know, sticks out behind the tire. I don't like that. I want a little shorty. So I wanted to get the titanium exhaust, but they only sell it in a set. They sell the tubing with the tailpipe. I don't want that long tailpipe. I want to get the little short tailpipe, you know. So if I can get like the tubing, the titanium tubing from somewhere, and I'll get the Akrapovic tailpipe, which is also titanium, the short one, not the long one. So yeah, and I put this little case on here. I don't really like it, but it's convenient. And I can actually get both my phones in there because it opens up. You know, I can get my main phone in here, my second phone, I can put it behind here, hold cards and everything. But I don't know. It's just me. I like my bike to look really clean without any of the extra on it, but I may have to keep that. Maybe I can find a different version of it that looks a little bit better. So, you guys tell me what you think about these blinkers. I think these blinkers are the TST industry blinkers, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna try the hot body blinkers, which are really flush. They lay right in there perfectly. So tell me what you think about those, guys. Should I keep these or should I go with the TST Industries? Or the hot body, I mean, those are the TST Industries and the hot bodies are flat. I think I'm getting it right. But anyway, let me know in the comments if I'm just getting them mixed up. All right, that's all I got for you right now, YouTube. Soon as all this rain stops, what we're getting, I will be on the road. It's supposed to rain the next 2 days. Today and tomorrow, I should say. And, you know, I'll be out on Sunday. It's supposed to be sunny Sunday and Monday. And I will be out. Oh, by the way, this is my new Buick Enclave. This thing is really nice. It rides like a dream. I need to clean it out. Got the cream interior with the burgundy exterior. What more can you ask for? Got the double sunroofs. I think I might have posted this already. I don't know, but anyway. That's the Enclave. Look how quick the door is locked. This is what I like about it. Probably one of my favorite features. Oh, it's crazy. All right, I'm out. I'll get with y'all later.